Hey there, I'm Emily, and I'm about to unveil a game changer that's going to reshape your life. But before we dive in, let me start by issuing a vital warning. Beware of the imposters peddling counterfeit divine dialogue products on sketchy websites. You deserve the real deal, and that's exclusively available through the official website. For your safety and assurance, you'll find the official link in the video description and pinned as the first comment. Now, let me introduce you to Divine Dialogue. Imagine holding the digital key to unlock the universe's most profound secrets, a key that connects you to the divine realm and provides insights that can mold your destiny. This is not just another product. It's a revolutionary experience, a bridge between you and the cosmic forces that steer our lives. Divine Dialogue will uncover your purpose, offer guidance, and unlock a wellspring of wisdom that was once hidden from you. But that's not all. With Divine Dialogue, you'll experience a transformation like no other. Unleash your inner potential. Discover talents and strengths you never knew you possessed. Your personal growth becomes limitless. Enhanced intuition. Forge a direct connection with the divine, leading to heightened intuition, crystal clear decision-making, and the ability to tackle life's challenges with ease. Manifestation Mastery. This is not just about attracting the life you desire, it's about consciously co-creating your reality with the universe. Divine Dialogue supercharges your manifestation abilities. Emotional healing. It provides a profound avenue for emotional healing. Release the past, forgive, and embrace a future brimming with love, joy, and abundance. Spiritual connection. Your spiritual journey will never be the same. Deepen your connection with the divine, gain insights into the mysteries of existence, and find solace knowing you're always supported. Personal guidance. Divine Dialogue offers personalized guidance. Ask questions, seek advice, and receive responses tailored to your unique journey. Your very own personal oracle, always by your side. Life transformation. This is the crux. Divine Dialogue is about breaking free from limitations and becoming the best version of yourself. Here's the clincher. It comes with a rock-solid 365-day money-back guarantee. Yes, you heard it right. If you don't experience the transformation, profound insights, and life-altering changes, simply request a refund within a year. No questions asked. The makers of Divine Dialogue stand by their product because they believe in its power to transform lives. In a nutshell, Divine Dialogue isn't just a product, it's a profound transformation waiting to happen. The universe is poised to share its secrets with you, and all it takes is a click. Don't fall prey to unauthorized sources. Secure your Divine Dialogue through the official website and set out on a journey towards a life beyond your wildest dreams.